In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print an email from Gmail. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once you're inside your inbox, click to open the email or conversation thread that you want to print. So in the top right corner of the email window, click the Print All icon, which looks like a small printer symbol. This will open your browser's Print Settings panel. In the Print Settings window, click the Destination drop-down menu. From the list of available devices, select your physical printer. Next, review the Pages section. You can choose to print all pages, only odd pages, only even pages, or set a custom page range depending on your needs. Adjust this based on what you want to print. Click Layout and choose either Portrait or Landscape depending on how the content fits on the page. Then check the Color option and choose whether you want to print in color or black and white. Click More Settings to expand additional options. Here you can adjust the paper size, set pages per sheet, modify the margins, or change the scale to make sure the content fits properly. You can also toggle the headers and footers or background graphics checkboxes if you want to include or remove details like dates, page numbers, or background elements. Once everything looks correct, click the blue Print button in the bottom right corner of the window to send the email to your printer. If you found this useful, subscribe for more clear tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Congratulations!